Homes and businesses in York County also couldn't help the sea from rushing in this morning. Take a look at this video posted by Kennebunk Fire and Rescue. Wave after wave of seawater coming up what appears to be a path that people would normally use to go to the beach. News Center Maine's Chloe Tebow is right next door in the town of Wells tonight with a look at the damage done there. Hi, Chloe.
Hey guys, well, you may not be able to see it right now, but you can probably still hear it. The ocean here in Wells has started to calm down, which is good news because earlier this morning it was a really different story. Now, before high tide even hit this morning, roads were already starting to flood, cutting off access to the mainland in some places. We spoke with the Wells Fire Department chief, who said his crews are going to be out all day, cleaning up debris in the roads, adjusting downed wires, catching propane tanks that were floating away, and helping with flooded basements. He said this storm was one of the worst the town has seen as of late. We also spoke with a number of people living on Atlantic Avenue about what they experienced last night into this morning. They say flooding was coming from both sides of the peninsula and winds reached up to 70 miles per hour. For many, it made for a pretty scary situation.
Last night I thought my whole roof was going to blow off.
Yes.
It was unbelievable. All I could hear was noises all night long.
It just came like a geyser up the public way, and it just got to the end and it whirled around and it just went down here, and it was all foam and water halfway up the garage door.
And Chief Mark Dupuis with the Wells Fire Department says his teams will be out in the coming days assessing damage to determine whether the town is eligible for funds from FEMA. Brian, back to you.
Chloe Tebow live in Wells tonight. Chloe, thank you.